Look, 1,000. She's wearing 1,000 peso sleepers. Aquí anda la china. Anda con sus chanclitas. Ok, guys, vamos a comprar unos chilitos. Oh my god, super buena la. Aquí vamos. I need some chile, man. I need everything, guys. Chile, I need potatoes. I need carrots. Zanahoria, necesito papitas. Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, tara ba? Tara ba? Wow, look at this beautiful right here. Nice. What do you think about these potatoes? They look good or no? ¿Cómo se miran? Tan buenas estas. Pila kilo, babe, patatas. Babe. Pila kilo patatas. 40 lang. Okay, 40 guys. Are you gonna eat dinner or no? Okay, I'm just asking, baby. Maybe I kind of want chicken adobo. What you say? What do you think? Chicken adobo for your sexy bana? Your sexy how do you say right here? Your sexy pamuntay. Yeah. Thank you, Lord, for giving my chinita gorgeous husband with big money. Oh, there's cabbage. There's a cabbage. Oh, I thought that was your Lola. This one, put it inside the, you know. What about Pila? Oh. Let me show y'all around, guys. Hop back the like button. Hop back the like button. We're over here buying some vegetables in the market. Vegetales, andamos comprando vegetales. Pila Bombay. Bombay. Pila cebolla. Babe. 70. Oh, wow. Oh, the China is getting cebollas. Oh, babe. China feels nauseous, guys, right now. Oh, nauseous all day. I think this one is preggy. She gets happy when I say that. Why are you trying to... You just did that to me. You tried to poke me with the carrot.
No, I didn't.